Welcome to Rosehill College, your gateway to success in the heart of Sydney, Australia. Conveniently located with easy access to public transport, shopping, and the city's vibrant energy, our campus is the perfect place to learn, grow, and thrive. At Rosehill College, we believe in empowering students with practical, career-focused education. Our diverse range of courses is designed to meet the demands of high-growth industries, ensuring you're prepared for a successful future. Looking for a high-demand trade career? Our electrical course provides hands-on training in modern facilities, equipping you with the skills needed for a rewarding profession in the electrical industry. Passionate about nurturing young minds? Our early childhood education and care program prepares you for a fulfilling career in early learning centres, preschools and childcare services. Australia's ageing population is driving high demand for professionals in aged care and community services. At Rosehill College, you'll gain practical training to make a meaningful impact in people's lives. The world is going digital, and so should your career. Our information technology course keeps you ahead of industry trends, preparing you for exciting roles in cybersecurity, software development, and network administration. Aspiring to be a leader or entrepreneur? Our business, marketing, and management courses help you develop the strategic skills and knowledge needed to succeed in corporate, startup, and global business environments. We understand that flexibility is key. That's why we offer both online and face-to-face learning options, allowing students to study anytime, anywhere, while receiving full support from our expert trainers. At Rosehill College, we celebrate diversity. With students from around the world, we foster an inclusive, multicultural learning environment where everyone feels welcome and supported. Your future starts here. At Rosehill College, we don't just educate, we inspire, empower, and prepare you for success. Join us today and take the first step toward a brighter future.